Next one is exercise in this chapter, and some do this and try this problem. First, I am going to show you some of the problems. Rationalizing factors of the denominators of 1 by 2 root 3, 3 by 1 by root 8. It is on rationalizing the denominator topic, and another one, 16 to the power of 1 by 2, 128 to the power of 1 by 7, 343 to the power of 1 by 5. These sums are depend on the exponential law. Do this. Thirds in exponential form. First question. Given radical form, change them into exponential form. Second question. Write the thirds in radical form. Can you do that? Now coming to the exercise. Last exercise 1.4. See the first result. Simplify the following expression. There are 4 sums in this. So just you simplify. Already I showed one of the example like this. You solve them, you change them into or simplify them. Next, classify the following numbers are rational or irrational. Just you say the which type of number. After simplification, don't say directly. We can say sum of the sums, we can say directly. But this is one, see this one, root 2 minus root 2 whole square. After simplification, we can classify. Is it a rational or not? See these are sums also. 7. These are also in that same Roman, second Roman. Next, third. Stations find whether variable x, y, z, etc. represent rational or irrational. 6. After find the value of variable. Is it a rational or irrational? Now, that's one. Rationalizing the denominator sums. Already I explained it. 3 example sums. With the help of those examples, you can solve this one. Now, 8 is the easiest one. Depend on the exponential law. Find the values of them. 10th and 9, 10. In 9, 10 there are 2 sums. I will explain one sum from them. From that Roman 10. Okay. Now I am going to write some of the sums in this exercise. Some of the difficult sums in third sum, see this one. X square equal to 7, first one. Second one is another one. Z square is the third sum. Equal to 1 more. For a 4, it is a 6th one. 2 in this one. Next, 7. Find the value of that means square root minus root 15 by simplify 81 minus 8 into cube root of 343 plus 15 into 32 plus square root of 225. Find the AB values. In second sum in 10th Roman, root 5 plus root 3 by minus 3 root 3 equal to A minus B into root 15. Find the AB value. Okay? We are going to observe these are sums one by one. See them. In third Roman, first sum. X square equal to 7 given. Equal to how much? X equal to square root of 7. Form of root n. 7 is not a perfect square. So it is irrational. Irrational. You understand? Okay. Next, it is the third one. To 0.02 is a decimal number. So, to change into fractional form, we can write like this. 2 by 100 because there are 2 digits in the decimal point. To remove the point, we must multiply with 100. This is a 1 by 50. To square root of 1 by 50 equal to root 1 by root 50 equal 1 by root 50. Root 50 can write 1 by root 2 into 25 or 25 into 22. 25 into root 2. 1 by root 25 is a 5 root 2. Irrational. Which number? Is also irrational. 256. It is the fourth one. T to the power of 4 equal to 256. The exponents are, this is the fourth, we can write T equal to 4. 256. Fourth root of 256. We can write 256 as a product of price. 256. 228. 232. 216. 28. 24. 22. 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times we can. Or we can write 24, 22, 4, 22, 4, 22, 4. 4 times of 4, we can write like this. Equal to fourth root of 4 to the power of 4. 4 to the power of 4, we can write this one. Fourth root can write 1 by 4. Equal to 4 to the power of 4 into 1 by 4. 4 cancels. 4 to the power of 1 is nothing but is a rational. Which number? Rational number. So we can say the variables here given x, y, z, different type of variables are given. After simplification, we can say those are either irrational or rational. The first two sums are irrational, but it is a rational one. Okay, now we go to the next example. Value of this one. Ten minus root 15 by 2 root 2. denominator, 2 root 2. Root 2 is there. To rationalize this one, we must multiply with the RF of root 2. What is the RF of root 2? The RF of root 2 is root 2 only. So multiply both numerator and denominator with root 2. Then square root 10 minus square root 15 by 2 into square root 2 into square root 2 by square root 2. Now, 2. Root square root 10 into root 2. Root 20. Root 30 by 2 into root 2 into root 2, 2. If root 20 as root 4 into 5. Root 4 into root 5 equal to root 4 value 2 root 5. 2 root 5 minus 30 can write. Are there any possible to write with a product 6 5 30 6 5 is wrong, I think. If we change this one as a 2 50 we get. We can write now 50 as root 50 as the root of 25 into 2 equal to 5 root 2. How much? 5 root 2. So that is I think it is a small mistake in the given sum. If it is a 25, we can get the sum value by 4. Now, how to find the value of this one? With the help of root 5 and root 2. We know the root 5 and root 2 values before we found. Root is 2.236. 2.236 and so on. Root 2 value is 1.414 and so on. Already we found them before. So 2 into root 5 value 2.236. Just I wrote up to 3 decimal places minus 5 into 1.414 by 4. 2 6s 12. 2 3 6 plus 1 7. 2 2s 4. 2 2s 4 minus 5 4s 20. 5 1s 5 7. 5 4s 20. 5 1s 5 7 by 4. Now difference of these two 7.070 by 4.472 8 5 2. Now the value 2.598 by 4. Multiply with 4. 4 4 6 24 19 4 4 16 38 4 9 36 20 4 5 0. It is a negative number.